Yeah, I've got it plugged into the... Oh. Hey, there we go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Cool. So, I got a Roto VR working with a 3DS. So, just to jump straight in and actually get something on the screen, here's a quick demo of it actually working. You can use the 3DS, you turn it, and it works as a steering wheel for a Roto VR. The next question is how? So there's a piece of homebrew web server running on the 3DS. And when I say homebrew, it's homebrew. This is the web server. And as you can see, we just simply check, is it the get Y, is it the get X, is it the get Z? And we check that data, and then we are checking this against literally the exact HTTP headers we're expecting. If you go to /, your browser will very much complain about it. We then connect the 3DS to a mobile hotspot because it doesn't connect to EduRoam. I know I'm very fast, I'm really sorry. This mobile hotspot connects to the laptop. Then there's an SSH tunnel running on a server in Paris because I had it for some reason. This SSH tunnel connects back to the laptop, through the mobile hotspot connected on my phone, pointing at the 3DS, so then the headset, which is connected to O2 Wi-Fi, can see that over a public access point, over a public URL, the gyro data from the 3DS. This means we can then access this in Unity, which means with some data processing, we can then send this to the Roto SDK/share, and then build a game. The game comes secondary. Why? It's fun. But also, a 3DS is shockingly similar to an F1-style racing controller. There's a big market for VR racing rigs, but none exists using the paradigm Nintendo got right, with Mario Kart Wii and Mario Kart 7 on the 3DS. Instead of using a big wheel setup, a little accessible steering wheel setups would be a massive point of growth for VR, while sustainably reusing a now retired handheld console that is otherwise becoming obsolete. So, a proper demo video, if we have enough time, so I might get cut off. Here we go. If I just skip right to the video, oh, it's in quick time. There we go. I'll leave this running while questions go. There we go. Questions? Hey.
Where's your team?
It's me.
It's just you?
It's just me.
You did it all day yourself?
Yes. Any other questions?
Did the chair work?
Yes, it did. We can see here, the chair does in fact, when the video plays, it does in fact turn. It has a few issues, but for prototype hardware and SDKs, not the worst I've ever used. So yes, it's good. Hey.
What was your most unexpected problem?
Unexpected problem, networking. Because so much of our developer tools assume we're on the same local networks as each other, which is an absolute nightmare when you're working with a 3DS, which is using kind of old network assumptions, and a VR headset, and you're working on a lab machine that's connected to the university internal network, and a laptop connected to EduRoam. You have to do all these weird shenanigans just to connect simple stuff together, and that's 2, 1, 0, and out.